guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am taking you guys along with me on a day in my life, and we are starting off this morning with a morning walk. I literally cannot function properly without going on a morning walk anymore, and I love doing it, especially when I'm in Hawaii, because the sounds of nature just calms me down, and I just love going on morning walks. So that's what we're gonna do. I have my water here with me, but I think I'm just gonna leave it in the car. I think I'm just gonna leave it in the car. It's kind of heavy. And I also have my headphones. I'm gonna be listening to my music on my walk. I think I'm gonna do 2 rounds of going up, down. That's 1 lap, and then the second one. And then we're gonna go run some errands, and I also have to do some work. So I'm gonna be leaving my vlogging camera behind just because I just can't be carrying a lot on this walk. So yeah, that's what we're going to do. Guys, I just finished my walk. I did jog going up, and I don't know why I thought that was a good idea, because I felt like I was about to pass out jogging that uphill way, but we made it. Alrighty, I will admit though that even though morning walks are a bit of a struggle sometimes, especially like with this humidity, I will say I feel so proud of myself for doing that, and I always feel a lot better after every workout, even though like I didn't want to, you know, go. So just a little tip: if you don't feel like working out, I mean, rest is just as important, but if you guys have a hard time of getting up, just get up and get there, because at the end you'll only feel good about yourself. Staring at the water, people watching. There's so much joy that the beach, the ocean brings me. I feel so at peace to be here. And everyone's swimming. It's a bit rocky in the front because I think the tide's been really high lately. The good thing is that there's still a section of the beach where people can sunbathe, tan, whatever. And they do just have to like walk over the rocks, but yeah, it looks so clear, it looks so nice. But basically, the sand used to be like where that tip is, used to be there. But since they had like the south swell, and then also the tide's been really high, obviously like a lot of the sand got washed out. But they do still have like this section off to kind of just like hang out and chill. But you just see people like walking over the rocks, and there's people bodyboarding and swimming, and the water just looks so inviting. I didn't bring a bikini, and I also don't want to bring in sand in my place, so I might just have to come back later after a little work day. Alrighty guys, so I just got back at my place, and I am going to take a quick rinse before I head out and run my errands and also do some work. I also want to journal, but I want to do that after I rinse. I feel really icky if I don't shower right away. Every morning I like to eat a couple of pickled garlic because 1, they're really yummy, and number 2, they're just really good for your immune system. And I got mine from Foodland. Obviously if you're from Hawaii, you probably know what this is, but it's just garlic that's been marinated, and it is so good, you guys. And okay guys, so I'm gonna quickly get ready. I don't want to put too much makeup just because it's really hot, but I do want to cover up some of my breakouts right now. And I'm going to be using Rare Beauty foundation, or this is actually a tinted moisturizer. Okay guys, so I just finished getting ready. I did put on some makeup because I am filming and shooting some content later today, but this is my little outfit of the day. I'm wearing this little eyelet slash like crochet top, and it's just a little tube top, and I'm wearing some shorts that I thrifted a while ago. And then of course I have some jewelry because I feel like any outfit that I wear isn't complete without some jewelry pieces. And I do want to thank Linear for sponsoring today's video. They gifted me a ton of really awesome, affordable, and high quality jewelry pieces to complete my outfit. If you guys are not familiar with Linear, please go ahead and do yourselves a favor and check them out because they carry a lot of beautiful luxury pieces at such an affordable price, and you will not be paying for an arm and a leg just to get these pieces. When I tell you affordable, I mean affordable, you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and start off with this beautiful line Mo Pearl necklace, and I got it because you guys know that I love the color pearl or white, and I feel like this one just complements my skin tone really well. And you not only need to be tan to wear this necklace because I feel like it looks gorgeous on anyone, but I specifically wanted to get this one because I wanted a versatile necklace that I'm able to mix and match with different outfits without having to kind of like clash the colors. Next up, I have the Irene beaded ring as well as the Monica ring, and I really like them next to each other, so I went ahead and stacked them. But of course you can always separate them, they're not like glued to each other. You can wear them right next to each other. You can even switch the Irene beaded ring on your thumb, and like look at it. No matter what finger it is, it looks so good. Just a little bit more about Linear. Like I said earlier, they are a female founded brand with a name that originates from the Norwegian word lines, which reference to a simple and minimal design. Their mission is to empower women around the world with luxe sustainable jewelry at fair prices. Another great thing about Linear is that sustainability is a core value of their brand, meaning that they use recycled and sustainable packaging. They also offset carbon emissions for every shipment, and they use lab-grown diamonds, which means that they're guaranteed conflict-free. So if you guys want to check out Linear, which I highly recommend you guys do, make sure you click the link down below. And once again, thank you so much to Linear for sending these beautiful jewelry pieces that will definitely last me a very long time. And I'm someone who wears jewelry every single day, so I need something that is able to kind of take on my everyday routine without breaking or tarnishing. And thank God I found Linear because I'm honestly super happy with the pieces. I'm going to go ahead and get on with my day. I'll take you guys along with me. We might go to the beach later, and I'm not worried about my pieces tarnishing, so I'm gonna take them with me to the beach later. Hello guys, so it's been a minute since I updated you, but I am in the mood to bake something, and I have been meaning to try out this recipe that I used to do back when I was in high school. So that's what we're gonna do. I want to make some Oreo truffles, and believe it or not, these are the only things you need to make it. You just need Oreos, cream cheese. We're probably gonna end up using the whole bar, honestly, and then some chocolate bars. The semi-sweet from Baker's is ideal, but they didn't have any more, so I'm gonna go ahead and try this one out. So hopefully it works okay. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use both, but at least we have another one just in case we don't have enough. So all you have to really do is mash up the Oreos, like just mash them up until they're like powder-like. They're very fine. And then you're gonna mix the cream cheese, and then you're gonna make them into little balls, like a little truffle ball, and then microwave the chocolate, and then use that to cover the little truffle ball, and then you just put it in the fridge for a couple of hours, and there you have it. So it's super simple, but you do have to all of the Oreos. Okay, so I have everything in the bowl. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like right now. I pretty much smushed all of them. They're just a little clumpy, probably because of the Oreo cream. So now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to put the cream cheese in and then mix that. This is the consistency that we have so far. And now all we have to do is make them into little balls using our hands. And then we're going to place it on here, dip it in chocolate, and then freeze it. Alrighty guys, so I put the truffles in the fridge for 15 minutes and it's been 15 minutes, I forgot to vlog that, but now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and melt the chocolate into this bowl. Just make sure it's kind of coated. There we go.
Summer rain on the window. Watch the time float on.
Alrighty guys, so I made it to the beach and it feels so nice. I was a little bit worried because earlier it started raining when I was walking here, and now the sun is perfectly out, which is really nice, and I'm really grateful that the sun is out. Right now I am gonna start a new book. This is the It Ends With Us by Colleen Hoover. I literally have seen this everywhere. Everyone and their moms and cousins are reading this book right now, and some of them said it's really good. If you want to cry, it's a really great book. And then some people were also saying that it is a very overhyped book, but I wanted to check it out, and I have been meaning to get back on my reading grind. I feel like I was doing really well back in January, and I kind of like flopped. I like stopped reading for a while, and I also want to try out non-fiction books because I feel like most of the books I read are like self-care books. There's nothing wrong with me. I'm not going through anything, but I do love reading like self-care books. I wanted to branch out and start reading non-fiction, so here we are. Not us having girl talk at the beach, but also TMI. For the last couple of days, I have had stomach problems, and that's probably because like I've been eating super random foods. Like I've been eating poke almost every day. I've been eating out, just like eating out in general, and not eating food that has been cooked at home, and my stomach has gone through it. And so I got myself some Pepto-Bismol chewables. TMI, but honestly, you guys are having stomach problems, hello, this is gonna be your new best friend. And I can't believe I just told you guys that I've been shitting my pants for like the last couple of days, but I have, and that's the only thing that has helped me.
All the things I think about when I think about you, like the times you call it out, every little thing I do.
Alrighty guys, I just got back from the beach and I just checked on my chocolate Oreo truffles, and this is how they turned out. And I know, presentation wise, I would give it like a 2, but taste wise it is an 11 out of 10. It's really good, and this is what the inside looks like. I think I like it better when it's not as frozen. I mean, I didn't put it in the freezer, but it has been in the fridge for a couple of hours. But I think I like it better when the chocolate is a little bit melted, and then the Oreo filling is also a little bit more moist, if that makes sense. But yeah, this is what it looks like. It's really, really yummy. I also posted the tutorial on my Instagram, so make sure you guys follow me. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and snack on these, and I'll catch you guys in a bit.